Hi guys, welcome to my life, my world, my everything. I am just basically going to show you how I did this look to my little natural hair. I know a lot of people have been asking me how my natural hair has been going, so I'm just going to show you the demo how my hair looks, and I will come back and speak.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you look kinda familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh yeah, definitely, I know his name.
But I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
Let's sit and talk face to face. There is no way you could mistake. And boy, your man, you insane.
See, I know that you may be just a bit jealous of me, but you're blind if you can't see that is love is all in me.
See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what you told me. You said without me you couldn't make it through the day that I changed.
Then maybe you misunderstood, cause I can't see how we could wanna chase something that's so bad. Let me see that song.
My natural hair has not been growing the way I want it to grow. I have not been taking care of it. I ain't gonna lie. I've been plopping off the wigs, taking off the wigs, plopping off the wigs. So I have not really been taking care of my natural hair. But I'm back. If you have not checked out my Get Ready With Me, I need you guys to check out. It basically explains why I haven't been taking care of myself the way I need to take care of myself. But so I'm really kind of like trying to grow it out the way I want to grow it out. It did grow a lot, but it would have been way longer than this, believe me. But I'm trying to grow it out the way I want it to be, and I want it to grow out healthy and nice. That's why I do cut it a lot, because I want my hair to grow the right way. I haven't even like really trimmed my hair, get my real hair to a healthy state, get my real hair, I love my little afro. I want my hair to be healthy and grow nice, and so I'm trying to really get back to my old self and get my hair, because if you know me, my hair is my baby. I care about my hair more than I care about anything, well, besides my kids and my family, but I really care about my hair. So I want my hair to get back to the healthy state, so I will be doing more videos on my natural hair. I hope this video, is helpful. Tell me how your natural hair is going, yeah, so I basically use the same products I always use. So I will leave the products up here. Probably they'll be floating somewhere around, and just basically show you the products that's in this video. But I'm going to start my deep treatments and try deep treatments and probably start doing reviews. I'm going to try to incorporate my natural hair a little bit more. I'm still doing wig reviews and stuff, but I want to kind of focus more on my natural hair, because the point of protective styling is for your hair to grow, and it feels like I haven't been taking care of my hair because I just been taking out my hair, washing it, braiding it, putting it back in the wig, taking out my hair. So I haven't been moisturizing it, conditioning it, deep conditioning it every week like I used to. So I'm trying to get back on that bandwagon. Even with my daughter's hair, I just been slacking, so I'm trying to get back at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.